Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kritika. I hope you all are doing good. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I am Kritika. I make videos on DIY fashion photography and I would love if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, so talking about this video, today we will be talking about the most marketed brand, Wow Skin Science. So let's go. Okay, so I have got Wow Onion Black Seed Hair Oil Shampoo and Conditioner Kit. This is a combo product. So the first thing I'm gonna review here is the shampoo of Wow. It contains black seed oil and onion. Red onion extract and black seed oil helps to improve hair health. Also, black seed oil has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties. Helps to reduce hair loss, excessive dryness, dandruff and scalp eruptions. Support hair and scalp health. This shampoo may help tackle hair loss, scalp buildups and dull, weak hair. The shampoo formulated with natural ingredients helps straighten hair follicles and clarify blocked roots. Also, it has smooth and clear texture and it doesn't make much foam, but still it feels very good after using it. For my hair type, it works very well. It is infused with red onion extract with strong antioxidant properties that help protect the scalp and hair, promote blood circulation to the roots. Flaxseed oil rich in fatty acid nourishes scalp and roots. Sweet almond oil keeps the scalp and hair conditioned. Say hello to smooth, lush, glossy hair with Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Conditioner. Use this conditioner after every wash to help improve hair texture and volume and shine. It helps to revive your weak limb strand with this conditioner. Red onion extract and black seed oil help to improve hair health. ऑल्सो पैकेजिंग इज़ गुड क्योंकि ये हमें डार्क प्लास्टिक बॉटल में मिल जाती है. दोज प्रोडक्ट्स कम्स इन डार्क कलर पैकेजिंग और बॉटल्स आर गुड कॉज इट डजंट केम टू कॉन्टैक्ट फ्रॉम डायरेक्ट सनलाइट. ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट हमें 250 ml की मिल जाती है. ऑल्सो ये वीगन है, पैराबेन क्रुएल्टी फ्री है. I can recommend to everyone to give it a try. The original and only onion oil with the secret ingredients, onion black seed oil. So that's been my time. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, do subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, do follow me on all my social links are in description below. Until next time, bye bye.